Hello everyone, welcome. Myself Dr. Rakhi Anand from Dr. Rakhi Anand Physiotherapy and Lifestyle Clinic. So today I am showing the ways to do the core strengthening exercises. What are core strengthening exercises? Today I am going to demonstrate few of the core strengthening exercises. In my earlier videos, I discuss about what is core, what are the muscles in core, what is the importance, why we need the core strengthening. So you can check the earlier videos on my YouTube channel, my Facebook page as well as Instagram handle. So today I am telling you the core strengthening exercise. I repeat just to recall what is core, what are the muscles in core. Core is our center, upper diaphragm, lower pelvic floor muscle, anterior abdominals and posterior back muscles. So first is your diaphragm. To strengthen the diaphragm, we need the breathing exercise. Diaphragm is the main breathing muscle. 80% of your respiration depends on your diaphragm. So to strengthen the diaphragm, the breathing exercise that is called as diaphragmatic breathing exercise. How we can do is sit straight. You can do in sitting also and in the lying down position. I am demonstrating in the sitting. What we can do is sit straight in pranayama mudra or in low vilom position you can sit. You have to inhale from the nose, नाक से सांस लेनी है, मुंह से छोड़नी है. As you inhale, breathe in, tuck your tummy in, hold it for few seconds and exhale from the mouth. Inhale, tuck your tummy in, hold. You can hold it by the count of 10, 20, 30 as your stamina allow. Then exhale from the mouth. This is diaphragmatic breathing exercise. Very, very useful. Immunity booster, increases your lung function capacity, increases your oxygen demand, helps you strengthening the core. Next we talk about other exercise, core strengthening exercise. We have to first do in the lying down straight lying position, then in the side lying and then in the reverse on your stomach line. So first we start with straight lying position, few exercises. For this, you have to lie down straight on the mat on a flat surface. Lie down straight. Arms along the body, straight. First, we start with the lower part. What we have to do? You can start with the one single leg raise. Lift your leg straight. Hold it for 10 seconds and then make it down. Next exercise. Lift both the legs straight. Lift it straight. Feet inward. Hold it for 10 seconds and then make it down. Relax. Don't do it haphazardly. Do it in a very relaxed manner. As your stamina allows, as your position allows. Some people can hold like this only. Few like at 10 degree, at 30 degree, 40, 50 or 60. Gradually you can increase your level also. Do both the legs straight together. Hold it for a few seconds, then make it down. Next exercise. Bend one knee, knee towards the chest, knee to chest, hold it for 10 seconds and then back. Same with the other leg, knee to chest, hold, then back. Do it together with both the knees, hold it for a few seconds, 10 seconds and then make it relax. Next exercise, bend both the knees together. You have to bridging like this. Hold it by 10 seconds and then make it down. Next exercise for the upper body. We start with for the upper body now. What we can do is lift both the legs straight, both the hands up, knees bent position, make it up. Hold it for a few seconds and then down. Relax. In the next exercise, we can do the legs straight, hands up like this. Hold this position for few seconds as your body allow and then make it down. The next for further progression, both the hands up, straight, up with both the legs up, straight. Hold this position. Hold it for few seconds, then make it down. All these exercises you can do according to your level. Please do it under supervision of someone initially if you are new to the exercises. If you are already doing few protocols or few exercises, you can continue all these. But if you are not able to do all these exercises, you have to increase the level of exercises gradually and as well as the whole time also. Okay. Next, we do the exercise in the side lying position for our side muscles. Lie down straight, body in one line like this, one leg, one hand up straight, one leg up, hold and then down. Again hold and then down. Next, straight, front, hold, then back, hold, then back, hold, then back. We can do together also with both the legs, up, straight and down. Both the legs together and then down. Same way on the other side, we have to repeat. Next exercise in the reverse position on your stomach. Lie down on your stomach, straight. First, try to lift it up. Hold it for a few seconds, make it down. Repeat again, lift it up, hold it for a few seconds and then down. Next, bend both the knees together, hold, then stretch. Hold for a few seconds, then down. Next, we can do the plank like this. Hold for a few seconds. Initially, you can hold for 10 seconds. Progress it to 20, 30 or 60. Then relax. Next, plank. This position. Hold, then down. Again hold, then down. Next, in all four positions, both knees apart, hands shoulder width apart, straight. As this is also called as cat and camel exercise. As you inhale, cat and camel exercise. Next is your child pose. Sit over your ankles. Then, without lifting your buttocks up, try to touch your head to the mat. Hold for a few seconds, then back, up. This is very good exercise for your back pain also. This is lengthen your back and increase your blood supply in your back. Next, we can do again in all four positions, diagonal leg and hand raise like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Same with the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Relax. You can sit in this asana pose also. This is also called as Vrajasana. This also helps in strengthening your core muscles. So all these exercises we can do to strengthen our core. Many other exercises also in the core. But few important exercises I'll teach today. I already told you few of the exercises for your core. Strengthening exercise. These are very important exercise and play a very important role. Core plays an important role in your body balancing, your posture, your body weight control, your shift of body weight, upper body to lower body to upper body, controlling your gravity. So please focus on your core and do the core strengthening exercise. Do the exercise gradually as according to your stamina, your level, your strength of your body. If you are already doing exercise, if you are a gym person or a normal workout person, you can do all these exercises. Otherwise, please take a guidance from someone knowledgeable, some therapist, good therapist, someone good exercise prescription. Okay, don't damage any of your body part. If your body allows, then only progress it. Otherwise, please do it under the supervision of someone. Do the exercise and take the benefits of exercises. Feel free to ask any question, any query, any comment. I love to answer all your queries. Thank you and regards, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, follow my page, my Instagram handle, my page Dr. Rakhi Anandan Physiotherapy and Lifestyle Cleaning. Thank you and regards. Thanks.